हरिओम। तूने मेरे सतगुरु सब कुछ दिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। A bhajan of deep gratitude for the true Guru. A bhajan that melts the heart and awakens reverence for the divine grace that has silently carried us through every moment of life. This bhajan is a beautiful conversation of surrender between the lover of God and the divine and true Guru, where the lover of God realizes that everything in life that has come to us has always come only through divine compassion and mercy and grace. तूने मेरे सतगुरु सब कुछ दिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है. My heart is overflowing with gratitude, O my beloved Satguru. As I look back at life, I realize that every word of wisdom, every piece of guidance, every sankalp, every blessing, every opportunity, every breath, every moment of growth has been divine grace flowing from you throughout my life. When this realization dawns, complaints begin to disappear and gratitude naturally multiplies. True spirituality begins when we deeply recognize how much has already been given to us by God through satsang, true guru, enlightened masters, scriptures, communities, kalyan mitras. All we have to do is to surrender to the wisdom and start walking on it. मिलती न मुझको अगर दात तेरी, तो क्या थी ज़माने में औकात मेरी. तुम्ही ने तो इसके काबिल किया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है. If your blessings, if your grace was not with me, what worth did I truly have in this world? Whatever attributes, abilities, talents, learnings, wisdom, opportunities, goodness, everything we carry today are ultimately gifts from the divine. A true Guru helps us realize these gifts and make the most of them. These lines beautifully dissolve ego and replace it with humility and reverence. The more we grow spiritually, the more we realize it's the grace of divine energy that makes everything happen. Until we got spiritual wisdom, our ego, our wrong identity made us believe that I am the doer. But it's Guru's divine wisdom that has given us the realization that has dissolved our ignorance and given us the light of knowledge and made us navigate through these life opportunities and challenges, and in fact made us a useful instrument of God now with the realization of truth. बना हूँ मैं जो कुछ भी बदौलत तुम्हारी, मेरा कुछ नहीं है ये दौलत तुम्हारी. उससे क्या कमी है जो तेरा हो लिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है. Whatever I am today is because of you. Nothing truly belongs to me. Spiritual wisdom, nishkam karma, satsang, joy, peace, devotion, independence, self-reliance, infinite love, and even the capacity to love, all are gifts entrusted to me by you, O my beloved Satguru. The moment I surrendered to your wisdom and stopped saying I, me, mine, I started seeing everything as divine grace. And then every attachment to worldly pursuits simply diluted, and in fact it transformed into gratitude. Everything I receive appears to be your blessing, your prasad. And now I am experiencing who am I. I am whole, complete, perfect, pure, divine, eternal soul, one with God. I am infinitely loved. I am love itself. There is nothing lacking. The moment I realized I am one with you and I am yours, there is nothing left to be attained. As the one who receives God himself lacks nothing, because the source itself is infinite. Life has become lighter, joyful, and full of purpose. I have stopped carrying the burden of possession and ownership, and I am living as a divine instrument, a divine carrier of God's blessings. तेरी रहमतों पर अब तक जिए हैं, मेरे काम सारे तुम ही ने किए हैं, मिला मुझको जो कुछ भी तुमसे मिला है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है. Life has always been sustained by divine grace, and this realization generates so much love, so much reverence for God. God has graced me with the blessing of human life, and on top of it appeared as a true guru to hold my hand, walk me back home to my true self, and made me realize my oneness with the divine, the infinity of who am I. So many times I used to think I managed everything in life, but now I realize it was that unseen grace that was quietly protecting, guiding, and carrying me forward. There are countless moments when life worked out beyond our understanding. Doors opened unexpectedly, strength appeared in difficult times, healing came silently. That is divine compassion moving invisibly through our lives. God, our parent, has provided for everything and is carrying us every moment of life. दिया कुछ नहीं है, अब शर्मसार हूँ मैं, तेरी रहमतों का कर्जदार हूँ मैं. दिया कुछ नहीं, बस लिया ही लिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है. I have only kept receiving from you, my Satguru, while you have been the one constantly giving, taking care of everything. I am indebted to you, and I know I can never repay this debt ever. Sometimes I feel ashamed that I have only been the taker and never given back anything. But your divine love takes away that guilt from me too, and just helps me rest in this oneness with you, the ultimate goal of life. Spiritually, this is a moment of awakening. We realize how much love, protection, forgiveness, opportunities, patience, and grace we have continuously received from God in Sakar Guru's form as well as Nirakar Divine. This realization does not create guilt anymore. It creates devotion, reverence, and a determination to live every vachan of the true Guru and spread Guru's wisdom all around. मेरा भूल जाना, तेरा ना भुलाना, तेरी रहमतों का कहाँ है ठिकाना, तेरी इस मोहब्बत ने पागल किया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है. I may forget you, but oh my Satguru, you never forget me. You're always taking care of me, checking on me, giving me what I truly need. Even when I drift away in ego, distractions, fears, or worldly attachments, divine love continues to follow me patiently. God's compassion and grace doesn't depend on our perfection, it flows to us unconditionally. And Satguru is that God who makes us realize this unconditional love, this overflowing grace. And when a lover of God truly experiences even a glimpse of this divine love, the heart becomes intoxicated with devotion. One no longer wants worldly pleasures, as the heart simply longs to remain immersed in that infinite love forever. This bhajan is a beautiful expression of unshakable faith, unconditional surrender, single-minded devotion, deep reverence, and infinite love for the Satguru, divine in human form, and for the formless divine within us and all around us. The more we realize how deeply God loves us, the more naturally gratitude, humility, love, and devotion begin to bloom within us. Stay immersed in this gratitude and infinite love of God every moment, as we have received everything from Sakar and Nirakar God. तूने मेरे सतगुरु सब कुछ दिया है। तूने मेरे सतगुरु सब कुछ दिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। तूने मेरे सतगुरु सब कुछ दिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। मिलती न मुझको अगर दात तेरी, तो क्या थी ज़माने में औकात मेरी। मिलती न मुझको अगर दात तेरी, तो क्या थी ज़माने में औकात मेरी। तुम ही ने तो इसके काबिल किया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। तूने मेरे सतगुरु सब कुछ दिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। बना हूँ मैं जो कुछ भी बदौलत तुम्हारी, मेरा कुछ नहीं है ये दौलत तुम्हारी। बना हूँ मैं जो कुछ भी बदौलत तुम्हारी, मेरा कुछ नहीं है ये दौलत तुम्हारी। उसे क्या कमी जो तेरा हो लिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। मुझे तूने सतगुरु सब कुछ दिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। तेरी रहमतों पर अब तक जिए हैं, मेरे काम सारे तुम ही ने किए हैं। तेरी रहमतों पर अब तक जिए हैं, मेरे काम सारे तुम ही ने किए हैं। मिला मुझको जो कुछ भी तुमसे मिला है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। तूने मेरे सतगुरु सब कुछ दिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। दिया कुछ नहीं अब शर्मसार हूँ मैं, तेरी रहमतों का कर्जदार हूँ मैं। दिया कुछ नहीं अब शर्मसार हूँ मैं, तेरी रहमतों का कर्जदार हूँ मैं। दिया कुछ नहीं, बस लिया ही लिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। तूने मेरे सतगुरु सब कुछ दिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। मेरा भूल जाना, तेरा ना भुलाना, तेरी रहमतों का कहाँ है ठिकाना। मेरा भूल जाना, तेरा ना भुलाना, तेरी रहमतों का कहाँ है ठिकाना। तेरी इस मोहब्बत ने पागल किया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। तूने मेरे सतगुरु सब कुछ दिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया 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 है।